This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight to work. Sign in with an admin account and open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt. Once done, identify the exact service failing, Windows Update, bits, or a dependency, so you don't guess. Make sure to export current service settings and create a system restore point. This keeps you safe if something changes unexpectedly. You'll be taking immediate, reversible actions rather than wandering through menus. Now, stop the failing service to prepare for repair. You stop the service with explicit commands and note any errors. That feedback guides the next move. Then rename software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders to force rebuilds, and clear temporary update caches so bad files won't reload. This resets the core components. After that, re-register key DLLs used by the update service and run sfc/scano followed by dism restore health if file corruption is suspected. These steps replace broken state and restore clean components for a reliable restart. You restart the repaired services and immediately trigger an update scan to confirm activity. This verifies success fast. Then check Windows Update. Log or Event Viewer for lingering error codes and note them verbatim. Those codes tell you whether it's network, permission, or file level. If the issue persists after these measures, perform a repair install or in-place upgrade to restore system binaries without wiping data. One troubleshooting tip: boot to safe mode and repeat the reset steps if services won't stop or start under normal boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.